Today I'm with Sanjay Mazumdar, the CEO of the D2D CRC in Adelaide. Sanjay, tell us about the D2D CRC.
Sure. Well, the D2D CRC, the Data to Decision CRC, is a cooperative research centre. So it's a joint venture between industry, researchers and, in our case, government agencies. And we've been established basically to try and solve some of the nation's challenges around the use of big data analytics in defence and national security.
And how long have you been operating?
So we started on the 1st of July. It's been a 2-year process to get to that point. So it's a competitive bid round that you have to submit into. And during that period, we had to try and formulate the problems that we'd be working on, and also try and find all the participants, the partners in the CRC.
And can you tell us something about those participants or partners? Who are they, and what do they do?
Sure. So we've got about 14 companies involved, and they range from big defence prime contractors like BAE Systems, through to major global ICT companies like SAS, which is the world's biggest analytics company, Pivotal, Teradata, as well as SMEs. A key thing about CRC program, it's all about trying to engage SMEs and let SMEs access high-end research capability. Our CRC is focused on defence and national security, so we have people like Federal Police, Department of Defence, Attorney General's Department involved in the CRC as well.
And also universities, from what I understand.
Yeah, that's right, absolutely. So the researchers reside within the university. So we have University of Adelaide, University of South Australia, Deakin University, University of New South Wales, and Carnegie Mellon University as well.
What kinds of problems do you imagine the CRC is going to wrestle with over the coming period?
Sure. So we're mainly focused on 2 major areas. One is how can you apply analytics to support counter-terrorism activities. So that's all about trying to work out, effectively what the terrorists are doing in the online environment, and work out using analytics to work out who they're talking to, what are they doing, etc. And trying to get into a preemptive regime so you can prevent problems from occurring before they become sort of catastrophic events. The other area is in defence. So basically defence is acquiring more and more platforms, more aircraft, more ships, more land vehicles. Each of these platforms are basically sensors. They're generating a lot of data about the environment. And so what we're trying to do is develop techniques to bring all that data together and then turn it into intelligence that they can actually make decisions on. And that's why we call ourselves Data to Decisions as well.
And so your CRC is all about the Internet of Things, where your environment happens to be national security.
National security is no different from the rest of the world. Everything is connected to everything else, and increasingly so. And so being able to deal with that vast volume variety of data and distill the intelligence is really something that people are grappling with at the moment.
Sanjay, you know a little bit about the AIIA, and you know that earlier this year we launched our Smart ICT platform, which talked about 3 key themes. The first, building a national ICT industry. The second, leveraging national assets like NBN and the Square Kilometre Array. And thirdly, export, finding exemplar products and services to export, to shift the balance of trade in ICT from import to export. Which of these 3 key themes for the AIIA most resonates for you and the work that you're doing?
Well, certainly I think what we do in our sector is transferable to many other sectors, both domestically and internationally. Pretty much every sector has a data challenge. Everyone's generating lots and lots of data. They're trying to look at how can they analyse it, make it more efficient, use it, monetize it, see how they can grow their economy as a result of it. So there's lots of opportunities to actually produce smart analytics, new products, etc., that can be deployed in other sectors to help gain efficiencies, improve productivity, open up new opportunities, etc.
Well, Sanjay, thank you very much for the insights that you've given to us today in relation to your work with the CRC. Okay. And best wishes as you pursue that very rapid development program that you've got under your belt. And I look forward to the next opportunity to catch up.
Great. Thank you, Suzanne.
Thank you.